Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
When we have an active day like today, it normally starts you with that radar view, but I thought that the view here on the Way 31 Sky Camera Network really kind of painted the picture of what's taking shape right now across North Alabama. It's raining currently in Muscle Shoals. We've got rain approaching in Huntsville and in Decatur. Guntersville getting a little bit of a break for the time being, but there is rain heading our way as well in Marshall County. And this is what it looks like on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Off and on rain and storms here all the way west of I-65, east of I-65. The most activity that we've got right now is really in Jackson County, but I'm tracking what's coming toward the I-65 corridor over the next several minutes here. It's tracking east at about 30 miles per hour. Should be in Huntsville by 6:27. It will be in Hartselle by 6:58. That's Scottsboro by 7:35, and eventually Guntersville by 8:16. And here's where we're seeing some of the more intense rain right now in Jackson County. I pointed this out to you just a second ago. Heavy rain along Highway 72, a few lightning strikes as well in between Scottsboro and section just toward the northeast there. That is tracking eastward. We'll be out into Georgia here in the next few minutes. And what's coming out of the west is our next round of more organized rain. And I say organized in the sense that it's kind of along this broken line here. If you look farther to the north and farther toward the southwest, it's still ahead of the cold front that is yet to move through. But all of this activity will slowly but surely track through North Alabama as we go through tonight. And you'll really feel the difference in temperatures by tomorrow morning. In fact, I expect us to see some new development here around the Memphis area with those showers that are still ongoing. Those will be heading our way later tonight as well. And as we talk about the rain that is going to continue, we have to mention that risk for flash flooding. We've been so closely monitoring that for you today. Haven't seen anything in the way of very intense rain in Marshall and DeKalb counties just yet, so I'm not so concerned about rainfall rates currently. But as we go through tonight, these are areas that saw several inches of rain over the weekend. Marshall and DeKalb counties especially so. We're expecting an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain through tonight. I show you this to tell you that because this is going to be an overnight rain, if you are out and about and we do start to see those reports of flash flooding coming in, stay off the roads. It's very difficult to spot flooded roadways at night when we don't have any street lights or anything like that in rural areas. So please bear that in mind. It starts at 7 o'clock. It lasts until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning for that flash flood watch. And all of North Alabama is included in that risk for at least a strong to severe storm, an isolated risk for severe weather, a greater threat farther to the north. But we can see some pretty intense wind with our strongest storms rolling through tonight. Here's that future radar view, and this is still having a hard time keying in on the timing of everything right now, showing a pretty quiet picture over North Alabama with the heaviest rain yet to come through. But we know that this is about what it looks like currently in the sense that that line is already moving closer to I-65, closer to Athens, closer to Decatur. So it's about an hour and a half to 2 hours off when it comes to timing here, but it does give you the idea that we hold on to these showers and storms here. In fact, it starts to become a little more widespread later tonight. That's midnight. Here's 2 a.m. I'm stopping it at 2 a.m. to show you how widespread the rain still is by this point. And over the course of the next few hours, once we wake up tomorrow morning around 6 a.m., most of that's out of here. We've got a cloudy start to the day. Clouds start to part by around lunchtime. We'll get some sunshine into the shoals, and those clouds continue to track eastward through the afternoon. So a mostly sunny end to our Tuesday, but not a hot end to the day because of that cold front. Highs are going to struggle to hit 80 degrees tomorrow. And as we wake up on Wednesday, our temperatures, mid to upper 50s, running well below average yet again. So your 7-day forecast looks like this. 85 on Wednesday. In between, there's your high, struggling to hit 80 degrees tomorrow. Chance for showers there in the morning, but for the most part, we're done with the rain by the time you head out the door for your morning commute. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, rain chances back in the forecast. Temperatures back into the upper 80s. So enjoy this little bit of a dry spell while we have it.